In this video, we are going to see about the queue. So queue is also one of the linear data structure. So here we are doing the insertion and deletion in the different ends. So in a stack we saw, in the stack what we are doing insertion and deletion in the top. But here what we are doing, here we are doing the insertion and deletion in the different end. So here we will perform the insertion operation in a rear part and deletion operation in the front part. So in a real time itself we are using the queue concept. For example, people moving on an escalator. So the people who got on the escalator first will be first one to step out of it. Then people waiting for the bus. The first person standing in the line will be the first on to get into the bus. The next one, people standing outside the ticket counter. So it may be a cinema hall or anything. So the first person in the line will get the ticket first, and thus will be the first one to move out of it. Then next one, in an airport we will keep the luggage on the conveyor belt. So the bag which was placed first, it will be the first to come out at the another end. Then cars line in the toll gate. Okay, so the car first reaches the toll gate counter, so the first that car will leave first. So these are some real-time example what we are using in our daily life. So we will see what is a queue. So queue means it is a linear data structure which insertion and deletions are done in a different end. Okay, it is done in the two different end. And here in a queue data structure, the insertion operation is performed in the position rear and the deletion operation is performed in the front. And if it take the stack in the stack concept, it will be done in a top. So both insertion and deletion will be done in a same end. And so in a queue data structure, adding and removing the elements are performed in the two different ends. Okay, so what it will do means it will work in the concept of first in first out. So which is entering first, that will be performed first. Okay, which element that is inserted first, that will be taken out first. And element in the queue are added at one end. Okay, so we will add the element in one end, that is called as the rear, and it will be removed from the another end, that is called the front. Okay, and implementation. So when we are considering implementation, we can able to use two implementation method. One is by using the array implementation. So here we will use the array concept for implementing the queue, and we can use the linked list concept for doing the implementation. So here by using the linear array we can easily implement it. Okay, so this is about the basic introduction about the queue.